got one of these air up mattresses that has a built-in pump. I did a video on this a couple of months ago, and it's been a really nice air up mattress. It's just so easy to use. This one is called Commouds or something like that. I think that's how the company is pronounced. Now there is an option where you can inflate this with a regular pump, but this has a built-in pump, which is pretty cool. And you can actually remove the pump itself, but you can take this out, you can take this inside, you can put it in your car, wherever it might be, plug in a Type-C, charge it up for your next inflating. It has 3 buttons on here. You got one for deflating, inflating, and then what they call enhancing, which that just shuts it off, I believe. So all we gotta do is just press the button, and we'll let it inflate on its own. Now, it takes a few minutes to air up with that built-in pump, but it does work pretty well and it's pretty efficient. You can get several different pumps out of that one charge too. Now, as you can see, this mattress is a bit taller. It's also got a really soft, thicker top, and this one's got, I forgot what they call it, but it's set up where it's a little bit like firmer and more supportive, so it's not gonna like sag in one spot compared to the other. But overall, it's a pretty solid air up mattress. As you can see, it doesn't sag when I'm laying on it. It's still staying pretty firm and everything. But if you're looking for a mattress, it's got a built-in pump. It airs up, I don't know, 3 to 5 minutes. It takes a little bit longer with the pump. You can turn it on, leave it, go finish something else, and it's done. But anyway, this is the queen size mattress from Commouds. I've been using it now for a couple of months for different trips, and it works great.